Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where you can find informative videos on PR. This is Malika and I have been associated with the Winnie Immigrations. Canada's express entry system is not only one of the most popular way to immigrate to Canada, but it is also one of the fastest way. Thousands of applicants every year in the hopes of making their dreams come true of building a new home in Canada. However, what you may not be aware of is that there is no longer simply enough to just submit your application, get your CRS score, and wait for an invitation to apply come for your permanent residency. But how you can make sure that you are optimizing your CRS score? This video will give you all the in and outs of how to improve your CRS score, and with it your chances of moving to Canada. So now let's understand what is the CRS. CRS, the Comprehensive Ranking System, is a method that Citizenship and the Immigration Canada uses to evaluate how you will rank in the express entry draw pool amongst other candidates. Your express entry profile is assessed based on the criteria such as your skills, your education, your work experience, your language ability, and the other factors. So, based on these factors, your express entries file would get assessed, and you will be getting points on the other factors also, such as different categories, and your points will be totaled to give you your CRS score. As I said previously, that Canada's express entry draws are competitive, which means that once you have submitted your online profile and you find that your score is less than the average CRS, it is time to up and to claim more extra points. So let's take a look at some of the main ways that you can improve your chances to immigrate to Canada through the express entry system by increasing your CRS. So let's understand the first thing to increase your CRS score. So, improve your language test score. This is probably one of the quickest and the easiest way to boost your CRS score, and there are two ways you can do this. First, learn a second language, or second, simply retake your original first test. The highest Canadian language benchmark, CLB 9, if you have scored anything less, there is always a room to claim extra points. For example, if you are already fluent in English and you have already wanted to learn a French, you could get an additional 22 points for a second language if you are applying with your spouse or your partner, and 24 points extra if you are applying alone. You can also earn more points if you have a high level of proficiency, CLB 9 or higher, and the post-secondary degree under the skill transferability factor. Alright, so let's understand the second factor to increase your CRS. You can increase your CRS through your work experience. If you are applying your Canadian visa from outside Canada and haven't managed to accumulate more than 3 years of work experience, it might be a good idea to gain an extra year or two, gain more skills transferability points. If you are already working in Canada on a temporary work permit, the same applies. In fact, you will be able to claim more CRS points for a Canadian work experience. So aim for a 5 years or higher if you can. Also be sure to indicate that you are still currently employed in Canada when you create your express entry profile, so that your points automatically increase as your work experience does. Another way to increase your CRS is by getting a provincial nomination. So why is the provincial nomination is so important? Because it is worth an incredible 600 CRS points, and since the maximum CRS score is 1200, it means that just by having a provincial nomination, you will already be halfway there. The CRS cutoff scores in 2020 have managed between 431 and 800. So far, which means that even in a draw with a high score 800, you would only need an additional 200 points to qualify. On an average cutoff score, overall draws in 2020 has been 551 CRS points, which means that just by having a provincial nomination, you may already be in shoe-in. But let's take a look at the worst case scenario. You could easily earn 100 points just by being a 20 to 29 years old with the 3 year of qualification, which is worth an additional 112 to 120 points. Now add those 600 points for your provincial nomination and you will be set. You can complete another qualification. Now we know that completing another education program that takes some time, but it can essentially help you increase your CRS score. Not only will you be able to get a more human capital points with the higher level of education, but you could also earn more skill transferability points. Get a job offer letter in Canada. Getting a job offer letter in Canada before you make a move is always a good idea. But it is important to note that if you want to claim those points for it, it will be need to meet a certain criteria. It will be have to be a full-time continuous paid employment offer letter and at least 1 year, and you will be need a offer letter writing from your employer. By having a valid offer letter in Canada, you will not only make things easier for yourself once you arrive, but you will be able to add up to 200 CRS points into your score. You can also hire a recruiter to help you to find a work in Canada in terms of to increase your CRS score. If you are struggling to find a job online, you should definitely take a help of a professional. They will be able to assist you with the digital resume and will also have access to a huge database of potential employers nationwide and the jobs in Canada that match your qualifications, your skills and your work experiences. It is important to optimize your chances as much as possible. So if you need the help of a recruitment agency in Canada, do it. If you have a sibling in Canada, it can also increase your CRS score. So, did you know that just by having a brother or sister who is currently living in Canada, who is either a citizen or a permanent residency, your chances of a success automatically increase? That's right. Just by having a sibling through blood relation, adoption, marriage, or a common law partnership, you will be able to claim an extra 15 points, but you will have to be able to provide a proof of your relationship with them. For example, their birth certificate. Another way to increase your CRS score is to apply with your spouse. If you are planning to immigrating to Canada as a couple, then you should definitely apply together. By submitting your application with your spouse or a common law partner, it would boost your CRS score substantially, and you could earn up to 20 points for your language, 10 points if either of you has a Canadian work experience, and another 40 points will be added based on your qualification. This is not to say that you won't be able to claim these points as a single applicant, just in another areas. So now let's understand what is the good CRS score is. So the average CRS score of applicants who made into the express entry draw pool in 2019 ranged between 350 to 499. However, this did not mean that they automatically received an invitation. The average CRS cutoff score ranged between 439 to 460, that averaging between 461. So the good CRS score would be anything more than 470. So it is never guaranteed that you will receive an invitation. It is totally depends on the cutoff score of your particular draw pool. The quickest way would be to improve your IELTS score, get a job offer in Canada. Another way to get a nomination from a province. The other routes such as gaining a more work experience, extending your studies or a qualification may take a bit longer, and You just guys need to remember that your express entry profile would be valid for only 1 year. So, applying for a visa can be time consuming and difficult to wrap your head around. With the strict deadlines, procedure and requirements, it can be easy to make a mistake that could cost your chance to immigrate to Canada. But with the guidance and assistance, one of our knowledgeable regulated Canadian immigration consultant, the process will be stress-free. All you need to do is call us on 1800-419-3242 or else you can write us at inquiry@winnyimmigration.com and let us take care of the rest. It is just simple. Your Canadian journey starts here.